Whey protein, miracle, trend, or real necessity? 1. What is whey protein? Whey protein is a high-quality protein extracted from milk whey. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, the ones your body can't produce on its own, which makes it a complete protein. Think of your body as a construction site. Proteins are the bricks that build muscles, bones, skin, and enzymes. Without protein, nothing holds up. And whey is the easiest, fastest, and most efficient type of brick to use. It digests quickly, meaning its amino acids reach your bloodstream within minutes, kickstarting recovery and muscle growth almost immediately. 2. Types of whey protein. Whey concentrate contains 70 to 80% protein with more lactose and fat. It's the most affordable but may cause discomfort for those with lactose intolerance. Whey isolate contains around 90 to 95% protein, almost no fat or lactose. Ideal for those seeking purity and easy digestion. Whey hydrolysate pre-digested for ultra-fast absorption. The most expensive but the best option for athletes or those with sensitive digestion. Quick summary: concentrate equals cost-effective, isolate equals purity, hydrolysate equals performance. 3. When whey protein is worth it. Not everyone needs supplements, but whey can be extremely useful in situations such as strength training or endurance sports. Weight loss diets to preserve muscle mass. Older adults preventing muscle loss, sarcopenia, people with low appetite or difficulty chewing, recovery after illness or surgery. If your diet and lifestyle are already balanced, great, you might not need it. But if your nutrition is irregular, whey can fill that gap and help you reach your goals efficiently. 4. How much protein do you need daily? The World Health Organization, WHO, recommends about 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day for the average person. Athletes and those who train regularly benefit from up to 1.6 grams per kilogram, according to the National Library of Medicine. Example: a 70-kilogram person should aim for around 110 grams of protein per day to recover and grow properly. That's where whey comes in. It helps you meet your daily protein target without eating 10 eggs in one sitting. 5. How to take whey protein correctly. Amount: 1 to 2 scoops per day, 25 to 50 grams of protein. Timing: before workout if fasting. After workout if you've eaten before training. Mixing options: with water for fewer calories and faster absorption, with milk for more calories and muscle gain. Remember, real food comes first. Whey complements your diet. It doesn't replace it. 6. Risks and precautions. Even natural supplements require smart use. Kidney issues. People with chronic kidney disease should limit protein intake. Always consult your doctor. Too much protein. More isn't better. Your body uses what it needs, up to 1.6 grams per kilogram. The rest becomes fat or energy. Weight gain. Whey has calories. Taking too much can lead to fat gain. Lactose intolerance. Concentrate has lactose. Choose isolate or hydrolysate if you're sensitive. Acne or oily skin. Some people may experience breakouts due to hormonal effects of dairy proteins. Digestive discomfort, gas, bloating, or cramps can occur. Again, isolate is the best alternative. Low-quality products. Cheap supplements may contain fillers, heavy metals, or excess sugar. Always choose certified brands. Medication interactions. Whey can affect drug absorption. Inform your doctor if you're taking medication. Unnecessary use. If your diet already provides enough protein, supplementation might be redundant. Bottom line, whey is a tool, not a crutch. Use it to complete your nutrition, not replace it. 7. The 7 key benefits of whey protein. Reduces hunger, increases satiety, and lowers ghrelin, the hunger hormone. Boosts metabolism, Your body burns more calories digesting protein, thermogenic effect. Builds muscle, rich in leucine, a powerful trigger for muscle growth. Stabilizes energy, prevents blood sugar spikes and crashes. Strengthens immunity, provides amino acids that enhance antibody production. Supports heart health, may help lower blood pressure in people with mild hypertension. Improves skin, hair, and nails. Supports collagen, keratin, and melanin synthesis, plus contains glutathione, a key antioxidant. In summary, whey protein is safe, practical, and scientifically backed, but it's not magic. It works best when combined with solid habits, balanced diet, regular training, and enough rest. Use it with awareness, and it can be the final push that turns effort into real results for your body, your health, and your performance. Thank you for watching until the end. If you'd like to follow more health episodes for both seniors and young people, built on empathy and science-backed information, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, leave a comment, and share our content. It's a pleasure to be here with you and to share this valuable exchange. See you in the next episode.